Hello, my friend. How are you? I'm so happy to see you again. I will explain the market structure and also our trading in the last day, which is the Monday 20 of September 2025 of yesterday. Yesterday is Monday, and today is Tuesday. Our trading of yesterday is here in this area, but I want to explain what is the most important thing that should put attention to it, which is the buys on the higher time frame or market structure. On daily, on weekly time frame, there was a high of the week of the previous week. This is a high of the week, and on daily time frame, this is the high of the week, and this is the low of the last day, and this is the high of the last day. I will change it because I want to explain of trading of the yesterday. So this is Monday, this is Tuesday, this is Monday, and this is a Tuesday. I will change it to make it removed from the this. I will remove it. So I will explain our trading in Monday this, and this is Friday of the last Friday of the last week, and this is the high of the week. So uh, as you can see, this is the high of the Friday, and this is the low of the Friday. When I coming to the our trading today, yesterday on Monday, I saw that the market is accumulating in this area. In this area, as you can see on the Friday, there was a market structure shift on higher time frame on H4. This is a market structure shift. This is a market structure shift, and also this is a market structure shift. I will explain it to you very well. How can you see these market structure shift and moving of the market on the Friday in this day, which is the Friday day. This is the low of the Friday. This is the high of the Friday, and how the market structure shift happened. This is a market structure shift first, and this is also a market structure shift. And as you can see that the market is directing the high of the week on the beginning of the day on Monday. Okay, this is the Asian and London session, and I reached on a New York session here in this area. As you can see on H1, there was an order block. This is an order block, which is this rejected candle, which is a red color with a big wick, and also there was a fair value gap between this candle and also this candle. This is a fair value gap. Okay, I will change its color to see it very clearly. This is a fair value gap, and this is an order block. The market is testing this order block three times. This is the first, second, third, with escalating higher low. This is the higher low, this is higher low, escalating higher low. How can we treat this? How can we treat with this market structure? At the beginning, when I saw the market structure during its institution or during its building, I see that the market structure is moving on 15 minutes. There was a fair value gap, which is this fair value gap, which is unusual context. It is away from the usual context because it is sorry, unusual context because this fair value gap is against the buys on higher time frame daily. H4 H1 is higher time frame, so this is unusual context by fair value gap. So this is an order block and pushing the market toward this area, and then return. When the market return, at the beginning I make a sell because this is a market structure on 5 minutes. You can see how the market structure move. This is a reversal area. This is a reversal area. How it move? The market is making market structure on lower time frame and then moving lower, reaching this order block. I know this is an order block, but I don't know if it will visit the low of this order block and reaching this fair value and change its direction or not. So I will move with the market structure against the buys. So I make a sell in this area, but the market moving more to this area, then return to this area, then return to this area, and moving as side. on conventional analysis of chart, this is called pennant. This is called pennant. What is pennant? Pennant is a continuation pattern. This is called pennant. Pennant, or like a flag, is a continuation pattern. This is the first thing that make me suspicious about sell order that I made yesterday. This is the first. The second thing, that moving against this market structure, I will I will show it to you. Okay. Then moving to this area. So I at first I think that the market will move more down, at least sweeping this low, because this is a market structure, even it is a reversal pattern. Why I think that? Because when I go to 1 minute time frame, sorry, 1 minute time frame in this area, 1 minute time frame, I saw that the market is more chaos. This is the first, but the market, sorry, I will make this away. The market, when it moved at that level and then that didn't pass beyond this and make a market structure shift here with fair value gap, and I make a sell here again, but the price didn't reach this area. This is the first. Change its direction and moving in this way, making this pennant as I show it to you is a pennant. Pennant is like this, which is a continuation in conventional. This pennant, like a flag. I will see it if it is available here. I think it is present. Sorry, sorry, pennant. This triangle. This is a triangle. Pennant area. This is a pennant area. Okay. So this is the first. The second thing that make me suspicious about sell order, that this market structure happen here is a fake market structure. Is it not real direction market structure? That make me think about that is the closure of the candles, the closure of the candles of higher time frame. As you can see, that the rejection here, you can see this is these are weeks from below, especially the last 3 weeks, the last three candle. When I change it to you can see these candles. I will remove this. You can see these candles. These candles are rejected from below, from this order block at fair value gap. Okay, on 1 hour, that means how you can see the rejection. Once I see this rejected and this rejected and closed above, once the price returned to this area, I go out of the market with a small loss. Didn't wait because I see two candle rejections. This is first, this second. That means this market structure that I saw it yesterday is a fake market structure. Is again because it is against bias, because it's against the main direction of the market. So this market structure is not real, because the closure of the candle, especially on 1 hour time frame, is making me suspicious about sell order, and it is against the direction. So I go out once the price reaching this area. I go out rapidly, and at that time the market change its direction. You can see the market how it closed above. Once where would enter at that time, where I would enter, I to compensate my loss, which is a small loss, and make a profit also. I saw that the market here in this area, I will remove this. As you can see that the market sweeping this and then moving rapidly to this area, making a market structure first, second, third, fourth, final. All these market structure closed, and also this, and stop here. This time you can see this time is about 10:50, 10:50, which is few minutes before the closure. Then 10:55, then 56, then 57, then 58, then 59, then 11 o'clock in New York morning Eastern Standard Time. So I at that time I make a buy. When I make a buy at that time, I will show you again. Sorry, I make a buy here at 11 o'clock. The market again sweep this area, sweep this fair value gap. Sorry, okay. You can see this rejection from 5 minutes. I show that I see that the market sweep this area. I make a buy and then reject it here. So you can see this rejection, and I have two fair value gap. This is the first fair value gap, and this is the second fair value gap. Okay, so my stop loss is below the second fair value gap. I make a buy in this area. I make a buy in this area. I put the stop loss here and put my take profit here. In reality, I go out of the market. You can see how the market move, So my stop loss is to fair value gap, and at that time you can see on 3 minutes. Also, I will show you how the market show. You can see the rejection. So this is the real market structure that happened with fair value gap, with big momentum, and the closure of the candle is above. The closure at 11 o'clock is here. You can see it also. Sorry, you can see the closure. This candle is closed here. Then the second candle moving for continuation. So market structure that move against the buys, market structure, this market that moves against the buys is a reversal into improved otherwise. This is the first. But the solution of this challenge when you see this in this position uh, uh, is the closure of the candles, a rejection that prove this market structure is fake and and not real direction. That's our this rejection make that this market structure is not real. So what is the best setup for best market structure? Market structure that happen in the direction of the buys as this market structure. The market structure that move in the direction as this market structure. This first, second, third, this market structure. Okay, this market structure that move in the direction of the buys is better than the market structure that move against the buys. Is better, is the best setup. Okay, so this setup is better than this because it goes with buys, because it goes with the buys. And the rejection of the candles, you can see the rejection on 15 minutes. I won't show it to you, sorry. On 15, on 30 minutes, you can see it. You can see it. Rejected, rejected, rejected. A rejection is in the direction of the market structure, and also the conventional chart analysis, as I said to you, which is the pennant, and also the flag, which is a continuation pattern for the direction of the market. And also, in addition to the presence of order block and fair value gap here of the bullish trend of the higher time frame, and also there is no signs that prove that the market is moving bearish. There is no signs. The market doesn't move beyond this price and moving down. So all these give priority to move up. Our admission after market structure in the direction of the buys Our admission in the market is depend on two fair value gap, either one inverted fair value gap and the other fair value gap, or two fair value gap. This is the two fair value gap. You can enter here sweeping, then moving and for continuation, and you can see it on 1 minute also, and less than also from 1 minute, to see the market moving bullish and take profit. You can see once the market sweep this, moving upward, making a market structure, then sweep below, but doesn't move beyond this. I bought also again here from this area, and the market moving bullish and give me a profit. Thank you very much. I'm so happy to see you again, and bye bye.